Hey there, YouTube. This is just a demonstration video I put on here. Some pretty old footage. As I stated in the previous video that I don't use this motor anymore. It is a Haswing Ospian 55-pound thrust that I bought off eBay for $300. And 55-pound thrust is going to suck the battery dry pretty quick. So having it open full speed, you're looking at probably 15 minutes of runtime. Half-speed trolling, maybe an hour, and then she starts slowing down and you got a dead piece of metal hanging on your boat. Or maybe I just have a shitty battery. So this is just a demo. Second part of this video is a demonstration of trolling 4 rods on the Adventure Island for Coho salmon. And that's using 2 rods at the front with planer boards, and the 2 rear rods are using weights, so check it out. So if I turned around here, I'd probably be going a couple of kilometers an hour faster, but I'm going straight into the wind. So here's a look at setting 4 rods out for coho fishing. I've got 2 planer boards, a downrigger, and a drifting weight. I quit doing this just because it's way too much work to put those rods out, and the immense drag that it puts on your boat. So I think I'm just scaring the coho away when I'm doing this, but either way, it looks pretty cool having 4 rods hanging off the boat, don't you think? So thanks for watching, and let me know how trolling more than 1 or 2 rods works out for you.